One more update. That's where the tarmac road ends, and this is where the rough road starts. So, but work is still ongoing, as you can see. In the background, you can see the excavators. So, not far from here is Mtomawe, where most of the construction material is being excavated from. So, yeah, we're experiencing a steady progress in the construction, and if they keep it this way at this pace, probably by mid of this year we'll have a complete road. Well, the engineers on the timeline may agree or disagree with me. I'm not an expert, but I'm just projecting. All right, cheers.